My name is Ian, and this is Rocky. In this YouTube channel,
Making Kids Fun.
we are going to be talking about planes, single engines. I didn't know there were so many kind of planes. Planes, all kinds of planes. And man, there's so many kinds of cool planes. From jets to small aerobatic planes, they can do everything.
Yeah,
So,
they're so fun.
jets, single engines, twin engines, single jet engines, high wings, low wings, all kinds of different kind of plane tails. It's gonna be awesome. And if you would like to learn about planes,
Subscribe.
Subscribe.